Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a really fun workout? Boxer Point has this boxing bag, double ended, and it is very fun. I'm definitely a novice boxer. My son is as well, but we have fun doing it. The installation of this is so easy. It comes with the screws for the ceiling and the floor. However, I didn't want to put mine in the floor. I just wrapped it around 50-pound weights and it does not move. Also, we already had a hook in the ceiling, so I used that. It's very adjustable with the different lengths and allowing tension, so whatever works best for you and your height, very easy to change. I'm definitely no pro at this. I'm still learning, but my hand-eye coordination has always been really bad, and this definitely helps that. While also getting out some frustration. It's very nice. So if you're looking for a fun workout that doesn't take up hardly any space and is removable when you don't want it there and works for you and your kids, I highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.